DrillFit Training, and I am going to go over the Kettlebell Medium Stance Deadlift, or you could also call this a Kettlebell Squat from the floor. Let's get into it. We're going to start with a medium stance, so not super wide like a sumo, just right outside of your hips and your shoulders, and then slightly point your toes out, not super far, just a little bit. We want the kettlebell directly between our feet, not too far forward because we don't want it pulling us forward in the movement. This should feel like as straight of a line as possible. So right in between your feet, reach down, grab the kettlebell, and then we're gonna push through the floor to pull the kettlebell toward the top. Coming down. As you come down, you're setting your hips back as far as you can, tapping the bottom, and then coming back to the top. Really keep the weight in your heels or in your whole foot for this movement. We don't want to go toward our toes. Whenever we're coming up, we are really squeezing the glutes as much as we can and rotating the hips as if you were doing a glute bridge or a hip thrust or even a regular sumo deadlift. Rotate those hips to get as much glute squeeze as you possibly can. I'll show you from the side here. You're using this weight to counter your stance as you come down so you can set your hips back even further to hit more of those hamstrings and glutes, and then pull through to the top. Sit back real far, push through to the top. This is an excellent move for your glutes, for your hamstrings, and really your whole posterior complex. It's a great addition for a superset on a leg day, or just to do on its own. And I like to work up really, really heavy. Give this a shot, add it in on your next leg day.